Guys, don't forget this week is Thanksgiving, so it is a very short week for the stock market. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you all for joining today, this beautiful Sunday morning. Super grateful for another day. I hope you practice gratitude as well. That brings more success into your life. Don't forget to drop a like. Would always appreciate that. Think about subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. Today, we're going to go into more details with Mullen stock and the charts with volume profiles, RSI, stochastic. So if you're into any of this stuff and you want to learn, this is going to be a free lesson for you because you can bring this information into other stocks that will help you in 2024. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my own opinion, and I hope it helps you. So let's get right into that. Before we get started, if you guys would like to support this channel, you can press join on YouTube. That helps me bring more content to you, or you can join the Patreon down below and join our amazing community where we talk a lot about different stocks and really the mindset with investing. So in yesterday's video, it was actually the 4-hour time frame. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go and watch that. We're going to be watching all time frames very closely. If you're looking to trade Mullen stock, you really want to be watching. I like the 2-hour time frame because that is very clear with the RSI and the stochastic when things are about to turn around. But if you don't care about trading, because we don't know what the heck is going to happen this week, Mullen can drop some magical news and this thing can definitely move a lot higher, being my own opinion, of course. So what we want to look for on a daily time frame, which you see right here, is you want to see how the stochastic is curling up right now. That's always a good sign. That's not a guarantee that, okay, stochastic's curling up, so we're about to move up. But you can see what has happened before. When the stochastic starts to move up and we're trading at a very low point, might be a good idea that the stock might be moving up very soon. So that's one indicator. The other indicator I look at is the RSI. Right now, the RSI is trading at 33 on a daily time frame. That is very oversold for any stock. Now for Mullen stock, that's not super oversold because we've seen it come as low as like 16 or 17 on a daily time frame. But what's good is the RSI is low, nearing 30. The stochastic is low. When both of those are low and the RSI is curling up, it's usually a good sign. You can see also that we broke this white descending trend line, which is another thing we want to be aware of, which means we can move a lot higher. Now, I said in yesterday's video, I'd be looking for 27, 28 cents. Why did I say that? Because when you take a Fibonacci from this high and bring it to the low, that's the 618 level. But when you take a Fibonacci from this high and bring it to the low, that's right near the 236 level. And check this out, a lot of volume as well in this area. So I do think we're gonna get some heavy resistance anywhere from the high volume profile of 27 cents all the way up to about 30, 31 cents, okay? Because again, I've explained it. I would also be watching the Keltner channels, okay? So usually on a daily time frame, when we start to touch the yellow line on a Keltner channel, that means it's time to maybe pull back a little bit. Of course, you guys got to do your own research, do what's best for you. But another thing I want to make you aware of is once we break through this brick right here, basically, right? This brick of volume, then we could see much higher movement because look at this open gap right here. No volume. The next high volume is the 50 on a fib, which is about 45, 46 cents. Okay, and I drew a white line right here for you. Okay. Then once we break that, no volume, and we're making our way up to the 786 level, which is about 62 cents. So again, when you start to use Fibonacci's volume, stochastic, RSI, things start to make a lot more sense. Now, longer time frame, if we're just saying, hey, this stock is gonna start moving up and nothing's stopping it, right? For the people that really believe a squeeze could happen, I would really base it off of the highest point we can go to would be a full Fibonacci retracement from here. And I honestly wouldn't be banking on this, but that's about $2.61, okay? So that's just a full Fibonacci retracement. It's happened before. It usually comes true if a stock is doing the right things and it's starting to move up. But the main thing for Mullen right now is we just need momentum to start moving up. We need to really hold these lows and create these higher lows and really get this third reverse stock split off the table if we ever want to see, in my honest opinion, over $1, right? Over $1 naturally. As I said in yesterday's video, if they take away the third reverse stock split, then this could absolutely happen in my opinion, just based off technicals and Fibonacci's, right? But we would need some good news. We would really need like maybe him saying, David coming out and saying there's no more warrants, there's no more toxic lending. Like if he's vocal like that and he says, we're going to start buying back shares also, this is a guarantee, or if he says no more third reverse stock split, any of this language would be very bullish for the stock, right? So again, this is just a video to talk about volume, but also you want to watch the stochastic. You can see when the daily stochastic starts to get very high and it starts to curl down, well, the stock tends to move with it, right? So we know how Mullen moves, we gotta be prepared. That's why we're playing defense right now. Hopefully this video was helpful. I hope you enjoy your Sunday, and we'll see you tomorrow morning bright and early with your coffee. Have a good one.